Hello and welcome to another TrunSHOP video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a store display stand like this one. Shoes, purses, or anything else. Okay. So the first thing, as always, we're going to come here on File and start a new project. For this project, the dimensions are 500 of width, 2000 of height, and 400 of depth. We're just going to drag and drop the cabinet and drag all the way down like this, and we're going to put 1000 of distance of the wall. Now let's change the material. You go on the magnifying glass, you put 25 of thickness and search. It's the third material. This is the default material. I just want to match everything so it looks nice. And now we can start putting things on our design. We're going to put 4 shelves. Okay, so we drag and drop the shelves onto the cabinet. So like this, we have something. And now let's remove the panels that we don't want. We're going to, to change the dimensions. So in this case, we're going to put a distance to the front of 200. So you have something like this, okay? The same thing with the other panel on the other side. We come here and distance front again 200. Okay, so we have something like this. The same thing with this one, the top one. So distance to the front of 200. Already looking nice, but there are some things that we still need to change. There you can see there's a dent, but we can fix this. Okay, so we click here on this panel, and then the width, we're going to change the width. So we're going to put an overhang left of 25. This is the thickness of the material, and overhang right of 25, also the thickness of the material. And just like that, it's nice, looking nice. So if you have any questions about this design, please let me know and I'll try to answer as soon as possible, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.